Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something, well, pretty fascinating in the car market. You know how new diesel cars seem to be fading away? Well, weirdly, the prices of some used diesel models are actually going up. It's a real paradox, isn't it? Especially with the whole industry moving in a different direction. So we're going to dive deep into this. We're looking at the used diesel car market, which is full of contradictions right now. We've been digging into an Autocar article. It's called Price Hike for Used Diesels as New Car Supply Dries Up. And honestly, the reader comments on that piece were just as revealing. Some quite passionate views in there.
Yeah, definitely. So our goal here is to unpack this. Why are some diesels getting more valuable while others just as tank? What's really driving these trends? And importantly, what does it all mean for you if you're maybe looking to buy or even just curious about these market shifts?
It's a great topic because you're right. The big picture story for diesel has definitely been one of a decline for quite a while now. We've seen this clear move away from diesel, particularly in the new car sector. It's driven by, well, a mix of things. And that's the background everyone kind of knows, isn't it? The general feeling is diesel's on the way out. New car showrooms, you don't see many. It feels like all the talk is electric, hybrid, maybe some petrol.
That feeling is, backed up quite strongly by the numbers. If you look at just the first half of 2025, only about 58,722 new diesels were registered.
Wow.
And that's down 11.3% just compared to 2024. But this isn't sudden. This trend really goes back to about 2017. Dieselgate had a huge impact, plus ongoing worries about future taxes, emissions rules, that kind of thing.
Right.
It's gotten to the point where only a few manufacturers are really still in the diesel game. Audi, BMW, JLR. Especially with the Defender, that's still a key diesel model.
Okay, so that paints a clear picture for new cars. Supply is definitely shrinking, which leads straight to the big question. If fewer new ones are being made, what's happening in the used market? What does that mean for value? Because this is where it gets really interesting and frankly a bit weird. Despite everything we just said, the decline, the perception some specific used diesels are actually going up in price.
Exactly. This is where the data from CAP HPI, they're a big vehicle valuation company. It really makes you go, huh. So get this. A 3-year-old diesel Honda HR-V, say with 60,000 miles.
Okay.
It's worth 11.3% more today than it was just a year ago.
11% more.
More. And it's not alone. An equivalent Mercedes CLS, up 8%. A Ford Mondeo, up 6.5%.
That's quite something. These aren't just tiny bumps.
No, definitely not. Especially in a market where you usually expect cars to lose value over time.
So the overall story